Unlocking the mystery of a glacial stare. Hello, dear friends and English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English expressions to explore a glacial stare. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to express emotions and reactions vividly. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of this chilly expression together. A glacial stare refers to a particularly cold and icy look given by someone. This isn't about temperature, but rather about the emotion and intensity behind the gaze. It's a stare that feels as cold and unforgiving as a glacier, often used to convey disapproval, hostility, or indifference without uttering a single word. Imagine someone looking at you in such a way that you feel a chill down your spine. That's a glacial stare. To fully appreciate a glacial stare, it's helpful to visualize a glacier. Glaciers are massive, slow-moving rivers of ice, known for their coldness and monumental presence. They are beautiful yet daunting. Similarly, a glacial stare is powerful and can leave a lasting impact, symbolizing a barrier as imposing as a wall of ice between people. This expression is often used in literary and descriptive contexts to highlight a character's reaction or to set the mood in a narrative. For example, in a story, you might read about a character receiving a glacial stare from another, instantly understanding that there's tension or disapproval without needing further explanation. In everyday conversation, it's a figurative way to describe someone's look. For instance, saying, "When I suggested postponing the meeting, I received a glacial stare from the boss," effectively conveys the boss's displeasure. As soon as I mentioned the idea, her face turned cold, giving me a glacial stare that made me regret bringing it up. The teacher's glacial stare was enough to silence the noisy classroom immediately. Despite the warm room, his glacial stare sent shivers down my spine. Understanding and using expressions like a glacial stare can add depth to your communication, allowing you to paint vivid pictures with words. Whether you're writing a story, describing a scene, or simply sharing an experience, phrases like this enrich your language and help convey complex emotions and reactions with elegance. We hope this exploration has warmed you up to the cool concept of a glacial stare. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.